Hey YouTube, quick video on office chair wheel upgrades. If you're in the market for these, here's a quick rundown. The replacement wheels are going to be a softer material. They're basically like razor scooter wheels or like rollerblade wheels. So they're not going to mark up your floor and they're going to be much smoother rolling around and turning, okay? They turn all the way around just like your current wheels. And let me take this one out. All of the ones that you're going to find use a standard size post, diameter and length. IKEA has their own size. This brand is really great because they do actually make a specific wheel with a brake specifically for IKEA chairs. So I will be sure to link that down below and make sure you get the right one. But they're going to work for pretty much every other office chair that you're going to buy because they all use a standard size. They just pull in and out. There's no screwing and unscrewing. Here, I'll push it in. They just snap in and out, okay? So usually office chairs have 5 wheels, and that's what you're gonna get in the pack. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because I think the most important decision is to decide whether or not to get a set with brakes or without brakes. If you are on carpet, you will most likely be able to get away with not having brakes, okay? But if you are on hardwood or vinyl plank, concrete, whatever it is, then I would just go ahead and recommend that you get the brakes because obviously you can just turn them off if you don't want them. So like, because these new bearings are so fast and smooth, you will find yourself either moving just a little bit, creeping, or using your feet to hold yourself against any movement because these things are like butter and you just kind of slip around. So I highly recommend, if you're on a hard surface, getting the brakes. There's a star pattern, so you don't need all 5 of the brakes on at one time. You can just have 2 or 3, usually at the most, to hold yourself from moving in that direction. And again, you can always just turn them off. So yeah, the brake just pushes down and snaps up. Super easy. These are gonna upgrade your chair and you'll never go back to the stock wheels, in my opinion. These have saved me in the past in like different rental units from worrying about marking the floors. These do a really good job preventing that. What I'm gonna do is put a link down below for these exact wheels if they're still available and for some wheels that don't have brakes. This is something that people don't usually mention, but this is a big deal. Hope that helps. I use these every day. I've worked on the computer for the last like 5 years and one of the best things that I've purchased in a long time. They just see so much use. Thanks for watching. See ya.